We're really excited to introduce our newest shop-made product, Phone Home. One of the creatives here at Harp came up with the idea to add a cell phone stand into our production, and I said, of course, go for it! Because there's nothing I love more than my team coming up with new things for us to make. So we made a few phone homes and started testing them out for ourselves, and we realized how awesome this little thing actually was. These wooden phone stands are so simple, and yet they serve as a very important reminder for us all to put the phone down and just be home. Not answering emails or scrolling through social media, but actually being home with our loved ones. It's the best gift we can give. We can all get so wrapped up in what's going on inside our phones that we forget to pay attention to what's going on in real life. That's why we value this product so much, because it represents one of the most important things in life, being truly present. Hooray for the phone home! We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.